Hey guys, so we are standing in this brand new, completed, finished David Weekley home in the community of Sandbrock Ranch in the city of Aubrey, Texas. Guys, this house is beautiful. It's ready, it's done, completed, and let me tell you that we can get you a great deal in this house. So you guys won't want to miss this video. Stick around. Hey guys, this is Gus and my lovely wife Carla here. We are local realtors here in the North Dallas area. We would love to connect with you, answer any questions that you may have. If you are looking to relocate from out of state, or maybe you are here in Texas already or in Dallas area, we would love to answer any questions that you may have about this particular house, the neighborhood, or the surrounding areas. So our information is going to be up here, guys. If you want to text us or give us a call, we would love to connect with you and answer those questions for you. So also, guys, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button, and that notification bell as well, so you can stay up to date with all of our videos that we post each and every week.
Yes, guys, so this home is the floor plan, the Brays.
The Brays floor plan from David Weekley, yes.
The Brays, and it's completely finished, ready to go. As you can see, it's a 2-story. We probably have echo. Gorgeous kitchen. You're gonna have 4 full bedrooms plus 3 full bathrooms and a half bath downstairs. Great layout, a lot of yard space, tons of natural light. A little over 2,800 square feet. But they've added some gorgeous finishes. You've got light flooring. You've got huge windows, modern fixtures. So it's got the works.
So guys, if you guys like this house, this floor plan, hey, give us a call. Maybe this could be your next home here in Aubrey, Texas. So stick around.
Well, there you have it, guys. We hope you enjoyed this tour and you enjoyed walking this house with us. Like we said, this is available right now, so you want to make sure to pick up the phone and give us a call if you're interested in this particular home.
So yes, guys, give us a call. You can shoot us a text if you want. Our information is going to be up here. If you guys are interested in this particular house that's ready to go, like she said, guys, this house I don't think is going to last long, to be honest. Houses here are selling pretty quick. But with that being said, you want somebody to work on your behalf. If you want to get to know us a little better, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We would love to connect with you.